In today's class, we will be discussing about MOSFET, that is metal oxide field effect transistor. In the last class, we have studied about JFET, that is junction field effect transistor, its construction and its basic characteristics. The construction and the basic characteristics of MOSFET are similar to that of FET, but there are some differences. Here, there is only one PN junction, and the p-type material which we diffuse into the n-type channel, we call it as the substrate. Or if it is a p-channel MOSFET, the substrate will be of n-type material. And another difference is that here the metallic gate is insulated from the channel by a thin layer of metal oxide, usually silicon dioxide. And this metallic gate and the channel, they act as a parallel plate capacitors. That is, the metallic gate and the channel will act as the plates of a two parallel plate capacitor with the silicon dioxide layer as the dielectric material. And there are two types of MOSFETs, depletion enhancement MOSFET and enhancement only MOSFET. Here we are discussing about depletion enhancement MOSFET. They are shown in two figures. That is the depletion enhancement MOSFET or DE MOSFET. It can operate in two modes, the depletion mode and the enhancement mode. We know that in FET, the drain current is controlled by the gate source voltage. When the MOSFET is operating in the depletion mode, as the gate source voltage is increased, the drain current decreases. But when it is operating in the enhancement mode, as the gate source voltage increases, the drain current also increases. In the first figure, its operation in the depletion mode is shown. So, in order for the MOSFET to operate in the depletion mode, we have to apply a negative voltage to the gate. When we apply a negative voltage to the gate, because of the capacitor action, a positive charge is introduced or a positive voltage is induced in the N channel. That is, we know that in the N channel, the current conduction is due to electrons, negative charge electrons. So, as more and more positive charges are induced in the channel, its drain current decreases. Or the channel is depleted of the negative charge carrier, so the drain current increases. As the gate is made more and more negative, more and more positive charges are induced in the channel and the drain current decreases. That is its operation in the depletion mode. And the second figure shows its operation in the enhancement mode. Its only difference is that we have given a positive voltage to the gate. When we apply a positive voltage to the gate, because of the capacitor action, negative voltage is induced in the channel. That is, more and more negative charge carriers are induced in the channel, so the gate current increases. As the gate is made more and more positive, more and more negative charge carriers are induced in the channel and the drain current increases. So, it's a difference between the depletion mode and the enhancement mode.